This is a 2014 NauticStar 230SC. Comes with matching trailer. Does have a swing tongue. It's a 20-foot boat. Equipped with a 115 horsepower Yamaha. There's your Yamaha, the ski tow, rear boarding ladder, swim platforms on both sides. Is equipped with a bimini, storage under all your seats. Convenient walkthrough. Storage for the batteries. Coming to the helm. Infinity stereo. All your gauges. Lawrence Elite 4. Side controls. In-floor ski locker. You have a convenient sink, cup holders everywhere. Here's a ladder off the bow. Storage under these seats as well. Underneath the helm, more storage. This boat does come with the cover. Convenient anchor storage. Is set up to have a trolling motor if you would like. This is 2014 NauticStar 230SC.